Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelly Nyaga for those who are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a try on haul on all the dresses that I've thrifted so far. I saw that you loved try on hauls from my last Shein try on haul, so I hope that you'll enjoy it. Let's jump into this video. The first dress is the one that I'm wearing right now. I got it from 7 Sundays and it's a denim dress. It's not the stretchable material. The little downside of this dress is that you can see this button, it's a button up. If I'm not really careful, these spaces are kind of visible, but it's kind of getting small, and the only stretchable part is this part over here, but it's not helping in anything. The next dress is this suit-like dress. It has these white arms. I got it from Dora, and the material is kind of a silk material, and this is silk and it has kind of glitters on the side. It's a short dress. I like this vibe just because I'm into like when coats are turned into female wears where they snatch you on the waist, but this one I had to go and get it mended on the waist so that it can snatch me properly. And this is how it looks on the back. It's kind of too short on the back, so I have to wear it with some heels or tights. I have to pair it with tights and heels or boots if I'm wearing this outfit. I've never styled this outfit before, but I'm going to be styling it on my shorts, so if you watch my shorts you'll see more details on my outfits and how I styled them. I like how it feels. It's kind of short, so I can go with it to work, but I have to pair it nicely. But the cleavage, I don't know, kind of has some cleavage. So for the next dress is this blue dress. It's a satin material. I got it from the streets of Nairobi, or where I live in my marketplace, I don't remember. It's an off shoulder, as you can see, and it has this button act like cuffs. The downside, the arms are a little short. I'm on the taller side, so this happens a lot, and the stomach is a little bit loose, and it has this pain over here. That's why I don't wear it a lot, but it's a nice dress. It's a date type of dress, but I don't wear it a lot. This is the next dress. It's a black dress. I got it from Dora. It has this detail on the bust where it looks like it's twisted on the front. I can also wear it as an off shoulder as well, but I prefer wearing it like this. I don't know why, but yeah, also an off shoulder. It kind of gives a cute vibe. The material is the same one with the suit one that I showed you earlier. I don't know, I only know satin. I don't know the names of the other materials, so I'm sorry if I'm going to be using satin a lot. And if you're still watching at this point, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video to your friends or your family. This is how it looks on the side. I like the dress because I can wear it. It's versatile. I can wear it to church, school, anywhere that I want to wear it. And the lining is a little bit short, so I have to go and get this fixed. And if you've noticed, a lot of the dresses are from Dora, so a little advice: go thrift at Dora for dresses. Okay, this is the next dress, and I got it from Dora again. It's a cotton material, and it has this net filling on the side, see-through net on the side up to the neck. It has a unique type of neck. That's why I love this dress. It's so unique. Then it has these details on the side like gathers that brings and snatches my waist very nicely. This is how it looks in the back. I can wear it anywhere, official wear, 10 out of 10. So this is the next dress. It's a suit type of dress. It's giving a suit type of dress, but a short dress. It's short, as you can see. It has this side cut that helps give an illusion that your waist is snatched. So it has these ties on the side just to straighten it if it's too loose on the side. And this is how it looks on the back. Forgetting, I got this from Dora as well, so clock it now. It shows some cleavage as well. This is another dress. I got it from Dora. You can see Dora. If you go to Dora and you want con dresses, bodycon dresses like this, they always hide them on those wedding dresses so that people can get them the next day at a cheaper price. So if you want to get a nice bodycon, always go digging deeper. That's why I'm a thrifter. If you want me to go thrifting with you, don't fail to leave it on the comment section. I can actually take it because I think I'm a pro thrifter at this point. So it has pads on the front, so I don't need a bra to wear it. I'm not a bra type of girl, so I love this dress because of that. And yeah, it's a bodycon. It's long. It goes up to the bottom, not precisely up to the bottom. It goes up to, like, it covers my knee, so it's a decent bodycon. It's not maxi, but it's a decent bodycon. I love it. I love this dress. Like, you can see the material is also not see-through, so I can actually wear this to go on somewhere nice, and I feel myself when I'm wearing it because it's giving cute. To the next dress now. So this, my sister thrifted it for me. She thrifted it, then passed it down to me, and I consider it thrifted because she thrifted it on the streets of where I live, or town, I'm not sure. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's giving dinner vibes. This is a definite dinner dress. Like, it's long, it goes all the way to my feet, like literally, and it has these white straps that holds my chicas. This is how it looks in the back. And the material, it's an odd material I'd never had, but it's not see-through, and it's giving official. So this is like a satin. Inside it's softer, but the outside is rougher. So I don't know this material actually. So if you know the material, comment it down in the comment section down below. I love the dress. I have a debate on Dora and think twice. So I think Dora has better dresses, and I don't know why I'm emphasizing so much about that. This is the next dress. It's a bodycon dress. It is very heavy material. Like, material is very heavy, and it has those it's a rich material type of vibe. It has this side illusion to make your waist look snatched. Downside about it, it was a button up dress, but I sewed it so that, because it was kind of being seen, like, you know, the spaces that come out when it folds like this, or when you sit down, somebody could see what I'm wearing inside. So I sewed it. The other downside, it gets that easily because it's cotton. It wipes on everything, even makeup. Right now I also wiped it on my makeup over here, or even that. So this is how it looks on the back. It's a tie effect. It has a tie, so it's giving official, but it's not official because of these sidelines. Oh, I got it from my sister's friend. She used to sell dresses, but she stopped. She used to get her dresses, you know, there no at bus station where they sell dresses at 200 shillings and stuff. That's where she used to get the dresses, if I'm not wrong. But if you want dresses, you can also get them there. They only go for 200 shillings or below, depending on the day that you went to look for it. You can get a lot of stuff there. You can get dresses, cute tops, bras, anything that you name it. At bus station, you can actually get a lot of stuff. Even working out outfits, baggy jeans, you can get them there actually, like 10 out of 10. So I love this so much. I adore this dress because I've stayed with it for a long time now. So yeah. So last but not least, there's this dress. As they say, I saved the best for the last. This dress is not good. It's not even appropriate. First of all, this is a beach dress, mostly because it has a side part on the side that goes all the way up. But the good thing is it has an underwear over here that protects me from this. So this is more so of a beach dress. Let me put the hairs like this because I don't feel even safe when I'm talking in this dress. I got this dress from the streets of where I live. I got it for a photo shoot, but I saw it wasn't even going to work the way I wanted it to work. You can see it's a V-line. It goes all the way down up to here, so it shows everything here. But it's a nice dress if you're going to the beach. The dress, but if I'm going to Mombasa, this is definitely what I'll be wearing at the beach. But yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have liked the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it to your friends. See you in my next video.